in this session we're still busy with ledger cashbook postings. And we're now going to look at another field that we could add here, and that is our option departments. So for ledger departments to display here, you've got to go to company details and click on the enterprise settings and make sure enable dynamic ledger departments have been selected. But you also have to make sure that if you go to utility setup and module parameters and ledger, that you have defined the ledger departments. I'm just going to click on ledger departments and then click on setup. You'll see I have different departments here. Okay, so I've already set them up. If you want to add more, you can just click on add, and remember to click on save edits. Okay, I'm going to close my screen and then click on ledger cashbook postings again. Now you will see that we have an extra field here called department. Then all we have to do is specify in the specific company which department will this transaction belong to. So for each expense I can divide the expenses up into various departments. In other words, the branch can all be the same, but the different departments within that branch can be different. You must just make sure that you select all the branches, and then your processing will be the same. So if we look at what we have in front of us here, you make sure you choose your bank account. You've got more than one batch to play with or use. Choose your date, your type, your account. Then you specify the branch, because branch control's been switched on. Then we specify the ledger department, because we've said we want dynamic ledger departments. You always have your reference. Your reference should be unique for each transaction. The description, you can change it if you wanted to, or you can leave it as is. And then you have to decide, is it going to deposit, which is going to increase my bank account, or will it be a payment that will decrease your bank account? I have explained all the options at the bottom in different sessions hereafter. Once you're ready, you can click on process. And that concludes looking at dynamic ledger departments.